Yo, what's good, YouTube? Back in with another video. Did you just laugh at me? Another unboxing. You already know what the title is or what it says. We got the NiKe SaCAi and tailwinds. Got these off of sneakers, baby. Damn, this box is fucked. NiKe box with an OG label or OG logo right here on the side. Size tag and everything the same as always. Size 8 US, baby. Dude, stop. Extra set of laces. 2 extra sets is black. Both black. Special SaCAi wrapping paper. Tissue paper. Oh, are you kidding me? Damn, bro, I fucked up. Can't even see it the whole time, bro. Individually wrapped. We got the black colorway of the SaCAi's, baby. Yo, the laces are like ribbon.
I was about to say, those are ugly.
The regular ones are better, but...
The colorful ones?
No, like the see-through ones, but these ones got the nylon, so they're not
I don't
see-through.
like them.
The laces are like ribbons. You can see that. Silky, baby. Damn, they got some fucking gunk on the side already. Smell delicious.
The other people are ugly.
Yo, these smell like... These smell like what a Payless shoe store smells like. Right here, baby. Got the black colorway. Tried getting the white. Couldn't get them. But the blacks are still clean for sure. They look like they were leather in the leaks earlier when they got rumored before. It's the first time holding the SaCAi's in person. Pretty clean, baby. Alright, gonna get to the on-feet portion of the video now. That's it.
Welcome to Interlude.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, it came with 2 doors, yeah, that's a Mercedes one. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a Brabus, that's why I be racing the Brabus.
Got another package. Might as well open it on the camera, baby. This one is for me. This one is way better, in my opinion. The SaCAi's are cool, but this one is gonna be way better. Depending on how it fits, this will be for me. You ready, Austin? I know Ollie's ready for it too. This one is so hard. Holy shit. And inside. Supreme City Lights jacket, baby, the puffer. This thing is humongous. Holy fuck. I hope a size medium fits, dude, because I got a size medium. I want to get large, but misclicks. Hopefully this shit fits. Holy hell. This thing is heavy, bro. Holy hell. Hood is detachable. I thought the hood tucked in before. Here we got city lights, skyline of New York. This is hard, huh? This is sick, huh? There was a purple one. I wanted the little button-up shirt too.
New York.
The button-up shirt was hard too, but this one is sick.
How much was that?
400.
How much is it? 400? How much is
It was 350. But this thing's crazy. Check out the inside. Like nothing.
It's not a...
Shit flopped hard.
It's not a...
Lining, just regular lining on any other big puffer.
Really? It's not a height?
Alright, we'll get on to the on-body and on-feet portion of the SaCAi's now, baby.
Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. Yeah, we brought the full door, had to get ready for war. I got static in my city, who fucking with me? Pull up with this 30 and this chopper hold a 50. Man, I heard that nigga Mickey. that's too risky. Man, we spray his car, spray his window. She keeps sucking on my dick, trying to get it hickey. Girl, I swear that pussy too wet, sticky. I kicked her right out of the front door. I'm picky, yeah. And every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy.
Alright, y'all, thank y'all for watching. This has been the unboxing and on-feet portion of the Nike SaCAi's Tailwinds, whatever you want to call them. They're called the WaFFles or whatever. These are Tailwinds, bro. These are just WaFFle also, but these are Tailwinds. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Honest opinion on these, they're pretty cool. White ones would have been way better. I like the white pair that has the see-through mesh. I'm not so much of a fan of the nylon, especially because with regular Tailwinds, once you wear them out, they get like some nasty creases on the nylon. So that's the reason why I'm not a big fan of it. But overall, not bad. Pretty good shoes, I'd say. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later.